Alright, so we're turning around so you can see us because I need her before. Because Mr. Diva decided we haven't ridden Kali River Rapids yet, and so we're going to do it now.
We got to do it.
So, here we go. Kali River Rapids at the end of the night.
To the village. Because the more people like you care, the better chance our jungle has of surviving. Thank you for choosing Kali Rapids Expeditions.
Okay.
Right on in. Watch your step as you guys get in. Watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step. Get those buckles on first thing. Buckle first thing.
Seems to be kind of wet.
I mean, it is a water ride, guys.
Oh, so far it looks a little bit like, what's ours called?
Grizzly River Run.
Yeah, the Grizzly River line, but it seems like it's smaller.
Let's hope it's drier.
Let's hope it's drier. So
I think this was a bad idea.
This raft is completely wet.
So
I had to do it. We have to do it. This is the only time we could do it.
only because we can go back to the hotel right after this, and we don't have to go around wet. Going around in the park with wet underwear, the worst.
Yeah. Nobody wants to do it.
No. Oops. We're the only ones in the raft.
Yeah. Sure.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. So we stuck under those. Okay, and then these guys squirt out.
Don't squirt out. Stop. Stop it right there.
Ah!
Okay, we're done.
Okay, we're not too wet
We're not too wet.
because we went down facing.
Yeah.
So I would be uncomfortable in the park for a long time. But yeah, we got sprinkled.
We got sprinkled
See?
big time. Our pants were all wet. And if it wasn't for the sprinklers on, we'd be fine.
Yeah, we got sprinklered in the cave and we got sprinklered just now, but otherwise we really would have fared pretty well. So they were really nice. They asked us if we wanted to go again, and we wouldn't have had to unbuckle and get out, but yeah, no. That was good enough. Here's the sitting elephant. So they both spit. So even if you don't get wet on the drop, they have 2 other places to soak you. Alright, do you see the people going through and see how they hit the water that's shooting across right there? So we were on the back side, the high side, so we could duck under it, but you know, if it hit you, you get really, really wet. So we got lucky on that one too, or we would have been just completely soaked. See? That water is shooting a lot and hard, so you can get totally soaked right there. All right, we did it. This is the after, and there's the end of the ride right there. So it wasn't as wet as we thought. Like we said, we just got sprinklered on at the end after the drop. But I think if there had been more people in the boat, we would have gotten all wet.
Well, we could have. We got lucky when we went down the whole ramp. We were on the top side, so we didn't get wet.
Yeah.
Except for the sprinkles. Our pants were wet, but it's not that bad right now, so
Yeah,
we're
not too
actually
bad.
good.
Oh, you can't see them. But I showed them to you in the ride. So anyway, we did it. Kelly River Rapids, check.
Check.